Hey, it's Alex Steele back with another ModShapes, and right now, today, we are building the sandpaper storage and dispenser, which I designed in Fusion 360. It was based on something I'd seen at Rockler or one of the other woodworking websites that I like to frequent. This is going to be a 3D print. Now, one of the cool things about Simplify 3D is being able to selectively place different support structures. Gives you a lot of flexibility. And once the 3D print is finished, I'm going to do some post-production work, probably a little adhesive work, and putting it together, and then we'll see how it looks. And now we're back. It's very interesting. When I first designed this, I thought I would probably need some adhesive, but because it is so precise and because the Tevo Tornado did such a great job, oh wow, it's a snap fit. There's absolutely no need for any adhesive right now. Maybe I'll test it a little bit with sandpaper to see if the sandpaper gets heavy enough to need adhesive, but I doubt it. I'm very excited. It turned out really, really good. I would say this is a win. Thanks for watching.